This is Deepthi Agarwal, and I got 99.5 percentile in CAT 2023. So I have got calls from IIM Calcutta, IIM Lucknow, IIM Kozhikode, and also FMS, and also all the other colleges. So I would like to share my CAT preparation journey with you all. Firstly, I would say that I studied approximately 8 to 9 hours regularly, but I started with slow. Initially, I studied for 2 to 3 hours, and then I went on to 4 to 5 hours, and then I studied for 8 to 9 hours. So start with slow, and then pace up your levels. Then firstly, for verbal, I prepared some rituals for my daily routine. Like I read Aeon essays regularly, and I also learned some vocabulary words from Norman Lewis Word Power Made Easy on a regular basis, which helped me in my reading comprehension part. For VA part, I did approximately 5 to 10 questions on a regular basis and 2 to 3 sets of RCs for regularly. Also, keep a check on the word limit. Like the words per minute of your speed. Uh, Initially, I took around 60 to 70 words per minute, then it increased to around 200 words per minute. So uh, it comes with the reading exercise only. Then moving to the LR section. Uh, uh, for LR section, we I solved Sudokus and other puzzle games. uh, After that, I solved 2 to 3 sets of LR regularly. For LR, it's all about selection. So, but if you need to learn strategies and the shortcuts of Krishna sir, shortcuts provided by Krishna sir and also Sudhanshu sir, they were very helpful to me. For quants, I think it's more about understanding the concept rather than solving the number of questions. So, focus on understanding the concepts better and first clear out all of your basics and only then move to the advanced levels, because if your basics are not clear, then like what happened in CAT 2023 exam also, most people's basics were not clear of algebra. I think that's why the cutoff also went lower. So I would suggest first clear out all of your basics and then move to the advanced levels. uh, that was also for quants. I made a formula wall for myself. So I woke up every day and then look at that formula wall so that it just stuck into my mind. Also, like the squares and the cube roots and the Vedic maths formulas, uh, they are very helpful in bringing the speed calculation during CAT exam. Also, work upon the screen reading rather than the book reading, because that is uh, that is something which is difficult. So work upon that. Uh, Apart from the daily schedule and the preparation, I think one thing I would suggest is that online coaching is better than the offline coaching, because on in online coaching, the traveling time there is no traveling time, so that is saved, and which you can use in many efficient ways. So that is something. Also in online coaching, you can get many recorded sessions and the live class recorded sessions, which is not quite available in the offline class. So uh, that is so online in online versus offline coaching, I would suggest take online coaching. Second thing I would say, for non-engineer, especially as I am a non-engineer. So there is this hype that for non-engineers the quant section will be tough, and so don't let that thought demotivate you, because even if you're non-engineer, you have studied maths at some point in your life, and the syllabus that comes in CAT exam is only up to that class 10th level. It's just that the concepts and the questions are some move to the advanced levels, but the basic concepts remains the same. So it's not like you haven't studied it. So just believe in yourself, and you can also do that. Second, uh, now coming to mocks, I think I in total I gave around 35 plus 35 mocks, and so I took the Cat King Real Cat mocks, which were really helpful. They provide mocks from starting from the basic levels and then move to the advanced levels, and the last five Real Cat mocks were amazing. So that was something. Also the mock analysis part, which that is also something which is really really important. And doing analysis of mock is, I would say, more important than giving the actual mock, because if you haven't done the analysis, you will not know what your mistakes are, and what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. So giving and doing analysis is very important.